me introduce them for all of you. They are trailblazers, global performers, and artists who built their own system from the ground up. From viral hits to world tours, and now heading to Lollapalooza. Please welcome Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin of SB19!
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat, Tulong SB19. First off, maraming salamat po sa pagdagal dito sa aming press con. This means a lot to us. Excited din po kami na marinig niyo yung kwento namin about sa next chapter ni SB19. Naging malaki po kayong parte ng career ng SB19. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Yay! Okay, would you like to greet everyone? Isa-isa, simulan natin sa pinaka-cute, si Josh.
Hello everyone. Syempre, I would like to also acknowledge our Weavers. Weavers, actually, we are live now on Weavers. And ayun po, I just want to say thank you for making time and ayun, sana mag-enjoy po tayo today.
Thank you, Josh. Ken!
Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Ken. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa Weavers, sila po sa inyo lahat. And sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Justin, and let's enjoy naman yung Make It Kwento namin today. And thank you for having me.
Thanks, Justin. Stel?
Hello po, magandang araw po. Pwede mo marinig yung energy niyo today? 3, 2, 1! Let's start the day with a nice energy, everyone. Thank you so much for coming in today and spend the day with us. Thank you. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa maririnig at mga makikita niyo today. Welcome po.
Thank you very much. And with that, please take your seats, everyone.